Here's a king parrot eating privet. It's proof that the native bird is eating introduced privet. I think that's broadleaf privet, Chinese privet that is. It's good to know about bird diet. I don't know how much they can safely eat, but they can certainly eat some privet. There it is. So if you have caged birds, caged king parrots, and you want to give them some fresh fruit, or you could give them some privet berries, ripe ones. It's very cold and wintry today. They're cold and hungry birds. So privet isn't all bad, is it? If it fills that bird's hungry tummy on a cold winter's day. There's a king parrot too, in a privet, another privet. So here we are. This type of privet they've been eating. Is it called Chinese privet? I think it's from China originally. This is what they've been eating. Handy to know if you live in a cold climate like in Europe or somewhere and want to feed your parrot something.